Ako po si Felix Morauda, DTF machine operator ng Honjet dito sa Robinsons, Novaliches. Naggamit ito ng 7 araw at na may total na 39 meters kaming na-run dito as of this week. Ito po ang heads. Huling palit po ng head nito is last year ng October. Ito po ang capping. Working naman po siya ang 80% condition. Head clean po tayo. Unang swiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system namin ay tama lang. Missing tank malinis every Friday. Ground wire. Ito naman po ang use ink. Unused ink. Liquid cleaning solution. Ito naman po ang film. Powder. Daily workload, monitoring, inventory. Ito po yung nagamit sa film. White ink, powder, sa yellow, printer daily checklist. Maraming salamat po.